welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Coin, as well as give an overview on the overall crypto market. But today, guys, we have some very interesting news about Gary Gensler. We'll touch on that. Pretty excited to talk about that. But without further ado, we're at 10,400 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a loaded line NFT, guys. Super excited about that, so subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So we are still, it's incredible how pegged we are to these numbers. Bitcoin's still at 30,573, still in that 30,500 to $30,600 price level. We've been so pegged on it. It's pretty incredible. For the past week it's been. But some of these altcoins are moving up, which is pretty cool to see. But Bitcoin dominance still relatively at the same spot as we were yesterday, 49.5%. But when you exclude the stable coins, we are still at about 51%, 52%, give or take. Guys, lots of sideways price action. We are consolidating right now. But let's talk about Bitcoin, and let's talk about Gary Gensler, the chairman of the SEC, Gary Gensler. There are anonymous reports coming out today saying that he is going to resign. Pretty incredible stuff, but huge emphasis on anonymous. Is this all just a rumor? Is this all just fake? We'll have to see, but there are lots and lots of reports coming out right now saying that Gary Gensler is going to resign. This is not just random speculation. Somebody from the SEC has anonymously reported that he's going to resign. Someone from the SEC. Very interesting stuff, guys. I will say that if he does resign, I think that could potentially open a huge move in the price for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency asset class as a whole. Because it basically is a fact as of right now that he is putting a halt on crypto regulation and on the development of cryptocurrency, because these huge companies are at constant war. These huge crypto companies are at constant war because they don't know what is acceptable, and they don't have the rules and the guidelines to follow until one day they receive a letter in the mail saying they have to cease and desist, or they need to stop operating, or they get fined millions of dollars. It's incredible. They have no idea what guidelines to even follow. I think that if Gary Gensler does actually resign, it's going to be very bullish for crypto in the short term, but it also really depends on who is going to fill his shoes, who's going to be the next candidate that's going to be in there. It's going to be very curious to see how that plays out, but I do think that it's very important that Gary Gensler does get out of there. If he does get out of there, it's going to be bullish for crypto in the short term, in my opinion. Probably a good impulse wave to the upside on Bitcoin, I would like to say, depending on when it happens. But guys, as we get closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving, it's going to happen regardless, that we'll have some big moves to the upside. We're about 9 to 10 months away as of right now, looking at this Bitcoin chart, to this Bitcoin halving. I do think that we're probably going to be accumulating in between these channels below 32,700, anywhere up to low 40,000s. But as of right now, getting these daily and weekly candle closes above 28,200, in my opinion, means that we're going to be headed to 32,700. Very excited to see how that plays out in the next coming weeks and months as we get these daily candle closes and just continuing this bullish continuation as long as it's closing above 28,200. But let's take a look over at Coin. Coin is got these breakout, retest, and it's resuming off. I really like to see that. I would like to see a move above 6.5 cents before I can say that this move is a confirmation. The retest resumption, I really would like to see above this level of 6 cents before I can say that we're going to start heading towards 0.0689 cents. But all in all right now, guys, crypto's looking good. We're consolidating. This is the year of accumulation. Been talking about that for literally the past year. The year leading into the Bitcoin halving, usually Bitcoin dominance ticks up. A lot of liquidity out of the altcoins moves into Bitcoin. And then after the Bitcoin halving, we start to actually heat up and make a move to the upside. So guys, that's all I really wanted to talk about today. I wanted to talk about how Gary Gensler is leaving, hypothetically. I mean, I really do believe that that's a pretty good source, even though if it's from the SEC, but they're being anonymous about saying that he's going to resign. Could be all one big psyop, honestly, but at the same time, I think it's a pretty awesome news. A lot of people are talking about it. Let me know in the comment section below if you think it's fact or fiction. I'm very, very curious on your opinions on it. But if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video, click the join button. You get access to our custom emojis and loyalty badges that you can use during our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And you also get access to our private Discord where we have NFT Alpha, trade signals. And on top of that, when we reach 100 members, we are going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each month leading up to the Bitcoin halving. Very excited about that. But that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.